Master G here with Mr. Durantis. All right, we are going to work on our first strike, which is the punch. Everybody say punch, sir.
Punch, sir.
In Korean, Choong Dawn Kong Yuck.
Choong Dawn Kong Yuck, sir.
Once more, Choong Dawn Kong Yuck.
Kong Yuck.
Good. That means center attack, but we are working on our punch. So let's work on learning a correct fist. Go ahead, stick your hand out like this. Good. This is 1, 2, roll your fingers down. 3, place your thumb on top. If you find yourself holding onto your thumb, reevaluate your life decisions and put your thumb on top. Good, because we don't want broken thumbs. All right, and we punch with our peace sign or front 2 knuckles, not the rear 2 knuckles. Good. So right now, one hand will be chambered, one hand will out, focusing on lower abdomen, like your belly button, your solar plexus. So that's what you're going to focus on. You're just going to pull, and the other one chambers. Pull and chamber. One more pull and chamber. Now let's add a stance. Ready? Step. Height.
Height.
Good. And reset. Step. Height.
Height.
Good. Now timing is slightly off because he is going slow, but later on you'll see him demonstrate it fast. You want the time to happen at the exact same time. Now on a target, so from a traditional standpoint, the stepping center punch with the block, height, height. Good, and reset. And combative stance, we have the jab, which is the lead hand, and the cross, which is the lead hand. Jab, cross, height. Good, and notice how both hands return back to the combat position. And that is our punch, or our center attack, Choong Dawn Kong Yuck in Korean. Practice what you learn. Make it rock.